Well, 5 days to the official driving season starts, the 15th of March, and I've been working on getting the Berlina ready. Lots of different things, rear bushings, rear suspensions being lowered, new springs, new shock absorbers, and then also some nice little stereo. And some of you have asked for me to show the discreetly mounted ice. Well, here you go. I've worked previously at a speaker company, and I did the same mounting with a other classic I had, and import, oh shit, German, here we go, Italian. Important thing for me is on the long hauls that they can become even better if they're accompanied with some nice music on the way. And but the important thing is not to let anybody know that you actually have stereo in the back. You can't see because of reflections here, but I'll open up and you will see in the back here there is a very bits of hair there. This here is a nice speaker front stuff, very discreetly mounted so you can't see it or hear it. And the same in the boot. Car's a bit dirty now, but as you can see, boot is nice and clean. You will, if you go underneath, be able to see there are speakers up there, and you will be able to see that there is a little Kenwood Bluetooth amplifier together with a couple of 6x9-inch three-way speakers mounted to some 12mm hardwood, and a lot of rubber lead damping up there as well, but nicely covered or concealed. Important for me. And the interesting thing is, of course, not having any radio or anything in the car. The car's really nice and clean. I've got all the covers underneath here with rubber, and I haven't got new carpet yet, but I've got new what's it called, sound deadening stuff to sort of I think you all know it, where do we have it, oh, I've actually concealed it quite well. Oh, never mind. The interesting thing is here how I've got the iPhone mount here, so that I can put the mount on this magnet here and have it as a GPS and whatever, nicely, sort of almost like a third instrument or a seventh instrument. But down here you will see, no you will not see, but doesn't matter, underneath here, down here, there is a little switch for the power for the iPhone, and also for the nicely concealed ice down there. There you go. So what happens is that when I turn this on, whoopsie, and whoopsie, this turns on, and what happens now? You'll hear music. Well, apparently it can't play music and record video at the same time. But never mind, I think you get the drift. The controls here are quite nice. And you'll have to just trust me, it sounds really nice. Well, I'll try to start it up.